Hi guys, and welcome to my Kotlin tutorials for Android certification series. In my previous episodes, we created this app where you can click on capture or gallery and it makes a picture or picks a picture for you from your phone. Um, it works, but it doesn't look too professional. Nowadays, the way it works, you click on the picture and then like this. This is my actual phone, so you click on the picture and it tells you, what to do. You can pick from gallery, make a picture, or actually some other action. Doesn't have to be picking or making pictures. You can do some other actions. So let's work on that alert dialog from ImageView. But let me give you another example. For example, uh, right there, gallery, and I put there's a picture of me from before. See, it looks more professional this way if I click on the picture and I have this dialog instead of those two ugly buttons. So let's create a project, start new project, empty activity, and let's call it alert dialog, like that. And so it's Kotlin, finish. Okay. Let's go to activity main XML, delete hello world, we don't need it, but let's put ImageView in there with IC launcher background as a temporary picture. Let's constrain it ADP on start and top. And so let's add a couple text views so it looks even more professional. Let's say here we're going to say text, hi, my name is Andy, like that. And second one, I'm going to say I am learning Kotlin. All right, and I'll just, I guess, press this button here that will constrain everything the way it is. So kind of, you see why it's important to have this dialog when you create, let's say this is your product, or maybe like a dating app, and people put their pictures here and then they describe themselves here. So yeah, that's why I think we don't need those ugly two buttons. Over here, we just need to click on the image view and go from there. Okay, we're done with XML. Let's go to main activity, and here let's find that image view, because image view, let me see, was image view ID was just the image view. So let's say image view dot set on click listener. Okay, and here inside there we're gonna say val picture dialog equals alert dialog dot builder with parameter this, and that's we're starting building this alert dialog, right? And then we need to set title. We're gonna say picture dialog dot set title, which will say select action, And next line we'll say after we have the dialog. And now let me just show you what I mean. Ugh, it's not what I want. This one. So where's mine? See right here. So select action that you just wrote is the title that we put on top. It's bold, black bold right here. Now we need to give user select photo from gallery and capture photo from camera or something else, whatever you're working on. But in this case, it's going to be picking a picture. So we're going to say here vol picture dialog items. Next line, vol picture dialog items equals array of, and the reason why we say an array is if you look at it, we have array. So this is one, this is two, only two items, but still it's array. So first one would be select photo from gallery. Make some space. And second one will say capture photo from camera. Capture photo from camera, like this. Those two options we're giving user. Next line will be, we need to set those items by saying picture dialog dot set items. Parameter would be picture dialog items we just created, and inside will be, we're gonna say dialog which when, we're using when here, which is zero. So these two things I showed you, this one will be 0 in array and this one is 1. So that's why we're going to say 0. If 0, then oops, do something, and then if 1, if 1, then do something else. And we're going to close it by, let me move it this way so you can see it. The whole picture here is on curly braces. So if you click here, it shows you where it ends, right? And then right after that, we're going to say picture dialog dot show. Here you go. Now we need two functions, one for gallery, one for capture. And so let's say above right here, we're going to say function fun camera, and for function camera we're going to say var intent equals intent. And what I'm typing here I explained in the previous video, so watch my previous video if you want to. Media store dot action image capture, this one, and I need to import intent. So in the second line will be start activity for result with intent, and key would be, let's do 1, 2, 3, just like in previous video, request code, I mean. So this is enough. So we can put camera right here, fun I mean not fun, just camera, like that. And here we need gallery, so fun gallery. Oops, that's too much of typing here. Sorry about that. Like that, and then of course like that. Inside of function gallery, we're going to say val intent equals intent with intent. Intent again. Dot action pick. Okay, we have too many. We have too many intents. I got too many intents. So this, let's see, intent. Intent. This one is too much. That. So sorry about that. Sorry for mistyping. So that's how it's to be. Well, intent equals intent action pick, and next line will be intent type, intent dot type equals image slash star. And last line would be here for select an image would be start activities for result with intent, and code will be 456 or anything you want, request code. So here we're using code 123 for the picture, and here request code 456. So here we need to say it's gallery. There you go. And if you watched my previous video, you know that we need to add one more thing. We need to go here. So this is the last curly brace. Right before last curly brace, we're gonna override. We need override function on activity. Did I keep misspell? On activity result. This one. And we're gonna keep what you see here in blue. That's fine. What we're gonna say here, what about this request code that request code that we put on top? We're gonna say if request code, this one here, equals 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna say var bmp equals data question mark extras question mark and then dot get, well, get data as bitmap. Bitmap right there, bitmap. And then we're gonna set ImageView to show that. by saying ImageView set image bitmap BMP that we just created, BMP. And that's for code 1, 2, 3. But we also have code 4, 5, 6. These ones. So this one is to capture, this one is to pick from gallery. And so for 4, 5, 6, we're going to say else if request codes oops, equals 4, 5, 6. In this case, ImageView dot set image URI data dot data. All right, that should actually work. Let's run it. I hope it will work. Oh, let me open my phone. And so it's building. So this is my phone that it still shows previous app. And here in the bottom, let's see Gradle build running. So let's see what happens. All right, looks like no mistakes there, no errors. Just waiting for it to. Oh, you know what? It goes to needs to go to my phone. No wonder you can't see anything. All right, it's a little bit fast, I guess, on my phone. All right. Oh, here it's not really pretty. The text view was too close, but that's fine. Let's click on. Here you go. Now I clicked on image, and it says select from gallery. So I'll just pick my image right here. Oh yeah, that's something I need to. Oh yeah, you know what? Let's fix it. It's ugly. Let's go to activity main because you might have the same issue. Here, when you click on it, it says wrap content. Let's make it 150 dp by 150 dp. The image, and then if you click on text view, I'm gonna put here, yeah, like 8. And here also 8 on the left. Yeah, okay, let's run it again. Because we put wrap content, it takes, the whole size of the picture. So, still, text view still need to be worked on, but let's at least click on image view. So there is dialog, gallery, I pick my cat. Here you go, see, it works this time. Text views, it's just no big deal, but yeah, no big deal. All right, so this was Alert Dialog app. If you have time, just fix the text views there or remove them. We don't need them, just for demonstration purposes. And stick with me because my next tutorials will be about saving pictures in Room database. I'm studying it myself right now, and what I will learn, I will post it in my future videos. It's hard to find something like that on YouTube, and just subscribe and like my videos. I would really appreciate it. Have a good day.